Hi there, I'm going to show you how to spread second passes up in the carry. So I already have baby in a good seat on my back. Then I'm going to pin one tail in my knees. And now I'm going to spread the second pass. So the important thing here is to spread your arms wide instead of trying to get the pass, you have more, right over baby's bum. So what I often see people doing is get their hands behind them and then grab a rail and try to kind of pull up over bum like this. And then it gets stuck. It's very frustrating. So the idea is to put your arms wide so you can clear baby's bum. So I'm going to spread my old bottom rail up as the new top rail. Although you could do either depending which one you prefer. It's important that you pin the rail you're not working with so you have both your hands free to work on the other rail. Okay, I'm going to pin this under my chin. Normally I would do it in my teeth. Okay, so I take this rail behind me and I hold this rail with both hands and I put my hands wide. And now I swing this arm up and pull and pull. And I keep my thumb in the wrap here, keeping tension so I can keep pulling slack. And I pull up so I can get it nice and high on baby's body. And I keep pulling out slack with my thumb in here. Okay? And that got the pass nice and high on baby's body. And as I did this, since I was pulling slack with my thumb at the same time, this rail is already tight. So at this point, I would just keep wrapping the carry. All right, Becky, you want to say bye?
Bye.